Another question that we get from landlords, which is very common when they're looking for us to help find a tenant for their property, is what is the market like at the moment? The market at the moment, it's very competitive for tenants. So what we do is you need to get your product correct from the start. So number one, make sure any work in the property is finished so that you've got a top quality product to find a top quality tenant. Number two, make sure you do not list that property until you've got high standard photos, detailed description and your key selling points, then get it up online. Number three, make sure you book a block viewing in. This generates interest, a bit of competition with the tenants, generates the interest and giving you the opportunity to cherry pick your ideal tenant. Finally, if there's high interest in a property, we will increase the rent higher than what comparables show to test the waters, and this has proven to work, generating a higher cash flow for investors.